Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin with Elliott Wave Theory. Couple of advertisements here at the start. I finally completed the Elliott Wave and RSI Advanced course, so if you want to master the RSI and want to learn how it can be utilized properly with Elliott Wave Theory, check out the course on Udemy. I've also started Counter Trend Capital with few expert traders that will be paid Discord group. Currently the Discord is free, so you can check it out if you're interested. And lastly, if you want to educate yourself and support me, you can take a look at Patreon, where you can find Elliott Wave Basics course, access to weekly live streams and extra content overall. Thank you for your support. Let's get into the charts next. Let's jump into the charts. So here we are on 1 hour time frame, and let's take a look at what we had previously. The overall idea was that we had a 5-way move here from the lows of around 22nd of November, having this as a 1, 2, 3, and then looking for wave 4 and then 5th wave. Again, there is a chance that wave 5 is already done and we'll just continue downwards until we break through these previous wave 4's lows. I'm still confident that we would be going up higher. We had another idea of this being a wave 3 like so, and this would be a wave 4 of some sort. And again, this is still possible. At this point, again, we would hit the 0.236 here overall. However, I'm not quite sure how I would want to be labeling this overall. Again, we go well beyond the 2-to-1 extension of whatever this would be, and also this would be going beyond the 1.618 retracement here, however we want to be labeling it. So again, that's why I shifted the wave 3 previously to these peaks. However, in any case, whatever the higher degree wave structure is, let's take a look at this structure, which seems to be more important, at least to me for now. Now, previously we were talking about how this could be an ABC coming down. There was again this very ugly looking structure here. However, again, the structure is downwards, does not really seem 5-wave-ish. It looks more like 3-wave-ish, at least locally like so. And I updated, I'm not sure if it was the last video or was it on Discord or Twitter, where I mentioned this kind of count, where we had the potential of being 3, or having 3, 3, and then another 3-wave structure, having this fit and hit the 1-to-1 extension in price, having this as the 1-to-1 and also hitting this as the 1-to-1 overall. So that looks very good on its own. What else we had here was support from these previous highs here, giving us this resistance turned into a support right here, and yeah, that is looking decent. We also had a weekly, we just went through it, did not really offer too much at this point. Let's take a look at if we had anything else. We have a naked point of control here all the way up, so let's mark that down as well. And local point of control here, we're battling with that at the moment. I don't really see us having too good of an impulse from the lows, but again, I'm already on the long side here. At this point, there is of course a chance that we are not done yet, or we are done with the whole structure being 5 ways in, and this would be the top here, and this would be the start of something. At this point, I don't have any evidence of that yet. Only if we go beyond the 1.618 here, then we can take a look at that again. However, I do still like this being a wave 4. This is again giving people a lot of fear into the markets, and then they are missing this move, and once this starts to potentially pump up higher, they're going to be FOMOing in here, taking out the tops and getting that last leg in before we again start diving downwards more. Now, if you're more conservative and want to be playing a bit safer, you could be looking for a 5-way move. If that happens, then you could be getting in against the lows and looking for the higher time frame play without looking to catch a knife here. But yeah, I'm already long as I said, but I think that is pretty much the plan that we have for now, and we'll see how much and how far this will last. But yeah, I think that is going to do it for this video. If you made it this far into the video, again, I would appreciate the likes and comments on the video. And if you want to learn more, there's a link to my Patreon and Discord on the description below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.